Der er små piger inde i skærmene. Du kan lytte dem. Selv sover jeg i en kiste, for ligesom at understøtte min klaustrofobiske og angste livsform. Torden skal også have et blødt sted at sove. Det er ham, der laver mine film. Jeg er blot et værktøj. Jeg læser manuskriptet højt, og hvis Torden tisser mig ned ad ryggen, så brænder jeg det. Vi skal se flere fraklip, og måske kunne det have været godt for instruktøren, hvis der havde været en rotte som Torden, der også havde tisset på ham.
Now, in this report, the real weatherman got stuck in traffic, so one of the behind-the-scenes executives had to take his place.
And since our weather person didn't make it in that time today, I'm going to try. Let's take a look at what it was. Now, is that right now, right? It's 50 degrees, and that isn't bad. 34% humidity. And the barometer is right steady at 29.79. The wind northeast at 10 miles an hour. Let's take a look at our part of the state. Now, there is a low system way down here that's between the coast. Can you see that? You can't see down there. It's down there, and it's between Oregon and California, kind of off the coast, and it's working counterclockwise, and that's supposed to be pumping moisture into our area, but it isn't coming in here. So it's staying basically pretty clear, and it got clear down into the 20s last night in eastern Washington, in some parts of it. The only moisture we can expect in the state may be way over here in the southeastern corner. So watch for that. The rest of us, it's going to stay clear and get kind of nice. So we'll watch for that. Let's take a look at the... Well, we were going to take a look. There goes that map, and here goes this map. Now, let's take a look. There it is. Okay. This place is booby trap. I just tripped. You can see there's not much out there. Let's go on to our figures real quick here. Where do you want me to stand? This way.
2-1. Warding off the adults that prey on our children is nearly impossible. How can we if we don't know who they are? Child psychologists say to prepare our children. Prepare them every day.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, when I looked at him, he was laughing. 3, 2, 1. Warding off. He's saying 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry. One more time. One more.
Har du nogle albyler? Når jeg har fri, tager jeg til Finland og går lange ture i skovene. Det er dejligt at gå langs Svolsøen, og jeg går aldrig med jakke. Hvem skulle jeg gemme mig for? De hvide mennesker. Flygt. Flygt. De hvide mennesker kommer. Brug jeres jakker. Gem jer. Men her kommer de så. Banale, trivielle, triste og klip, som ikke har andet til formål end at vise mennesker i nederlag på nederlag. Og I svælger i det, gør I så velbekomme.
Der tror jeg, at Senior fik en skrubtusse galt i halsen. Det vi skal have er selvfølgelig flere af disse små, gemytlige, hyggelige, hverdagsagtige, finurlige klodsmajors hyggeklip, som bringer os alle tættere sammen. Værsgo.
Without doubt, this is the most spectacular spectating point on any rally in the world. We're on the Col de Turini, 5,000 feet up in the French Alps. It's midnight, and there are 6,000 people here.
What is this noise? When did you start liking polka music?
When I found out you hated it.
Give me that remote.
Oh, no, you're not gonna get it.
Give me the remote.
No.
Now, here's where the director should say cut.
No,
Give me the remote. How long you gonna let us run around for this remote? What was we gonna do, B?
Look, don't think of it as a loan. Think of it as an investment. Look, okay? Please, just think. Indian? We have one, right? Indian? Look, don't think of it as a loan. Think of it as an investment. Look, I'll give you your money back plus interest just as soon as I get back from Vegas.
He's got it now.
Yeah, he's got the giggles.
It's cold out there. Well, at least nobody's throwing punches.
You handle that with finesse, baby.
Things were getting kind of crazy in there.
I know, and to think, I thought we were going to have a toy happen to be up there too.
Yeah, exactly.
Sikke en kold reol. Jeg er netop blevet færdig med en kortfilm, der hedder Hvad er penge i forhold til penge? Den handler om en svigtet pige, der spiser sig ihjel i jordnødsmør. Den har premiere i nat hjemme hos mig. Der er 3 ledige pladser. Der bliver nok kun 1, for jeg tror, at mig og Torben går ind og ser den. Men du kommer ikke ind, hvis du har øjenbryn. Jeg hader det premiere-race. Vi skal se nogle flere klip.
I'm looking for T-Rod Jones.
Now here are some blown lines that keep them on their toes.
How you doing?
Good.
This is
Good.
Dr. Max Stanton.
How are you?
T-Rod's company does the toughest stunts in California.
They're dancing.
The truth is, I did it. It was my idea. I accept full responsibility.
Is that it?
That's it.
No, it's not. Tell him the rest.
There's no excuse, Max.
Look, I've got a line here, okay? Yes, you do. I don't know it. All right.
Her på anden sortering får vi stakkevis af post. Jeg tænkte, at det ville være en god øvelse for senior at få lov at svare uforberedt på et seerspørgsmål.
Kære anden sortering. Det hedder Ostegert. Jeg er et pige på 18 år, der synes, at programmet er Ding Dong Dynamolygte Tip Top Super Duper Kapow. Hilsen Malene. Og så er der en adresse, og det var måske ikke så smart, Malene, for nu ved jeg, hvor du bor. Og du skal vide, at jeg ikke helmer eller hviler før dig og din skolekæreste og dine forældre og hele din slægt er faldet for min issyl. Og jeres indvold er blevet brugt som fugtighedscreme af en postmester i en af mine nye kortfilm. Jeg dræber dig. Men ellers skriv ind igen og nyd de her fraklip. Det kunne være de sidste.
Oh, looking good, Tyler. A few more reps, you have legs like Emmitt Smith.
I'd rather have legs like Michael Jordan. He makes more money.
True that, true that. Well, look, your rehab's coming along good. Say hi to the kids at the center for me, okay?
No problem.
All right.
Now here comes Will.
Hey, man, you see my cousin Carlton?
Yeah, I'm looking for...
Look at Alfonso. He can't believe it. Here is Karen Parsons, another alumnus from the Fresh Prince cast. She played Hillary.
Hey, just like old times.
Jeg er begejstret for poesi. Hvis man en morgen vågner og har kvalme, græder voldsomt og kaster op i salver, så er der ikke noget, der forstærker depressionen så intenst som et lille digt. Livet vokser sig stadig stærkere op gennem kaskader af henkogt hestekød. Saksen dirrer af forsigtighed og spreder byer af kvalme om egen akse. Hjorten nipper forsigtigt til den friske te og køber hegn på klods. Gid jeg var en bombe, for så var du allerede død. Du har ikke en aspirin, vel?
Now, it's a windy day, and someone forgot to batten down the light reflector.
Feel a little hot and bothered. We always like to go to Mimigan Live. And
Whoa!
Ow! Ow!
He's okay.
In front of Mimi.
Jeg har set mig nødsaget til at søge Dansk Filminstitut om penge til mit nye projekt. En kortfilm, der skal hedde Ikke i aften, skat. Den kommer til at handle om 2 frøer, der tager til New York og ser på kunst. Hvis ikke jeg får de penge, jeg har søgt, 60 millioner, så sætter jeg ild til mig selv for en Føtex i Virum. Eller også må jeg selv finansiere filmen. Så bliver det 2 frøer, der tager til Køge og ser på kunst. Tak for i aften. Jeg gider ikke være her mere. Måske ses vi igen. Måske hopper jeg ud for Domus Vista allerede i aften.